Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Flux Core Welder is probably one of the most versatile and accessible tools for both DIY enthusiasts and professional fabricators looking to achieve strong, clean welds without the need for external shielding gas, making it an excellent choice for various projects from automotive repair to general construction and even outdoor welding applications where wind can be a factor. Number 5. FORNEY Easy Weld 140 amp Flux Core Welder. This welder is designed for simplicity, featuring infinite control over voltage and wire speed. It's the perfect choice for beginners looking to achieve flawless welds. Despite its lightweight design at just 19 pounds, it delivers a powerful 140 amp output. This allows you to weld up to 1/4 inch of mild steel and easily take it to any project. Included with your purchase are an 8-foot MIG gun and an 8-foot ground clamp. It also comes with a convenient adapter for standard household power outlets. Built with a robust all-metal case, this machine is made to withstand daily use. Its durable construction ensures it can handle tough jobs. Enjoy the convenience of Flux-Cored welding without the need for gas. It runs efficiently on standard household power with a 20 amp breaker. Explore the FORNEY Amazon brand store for all the recommended accessories and consumables you might need to complement your new tool. What we like. This welder is incredibly convenient as it does not require gas. If you are looking for a straightforward, entry-level machine for DIY projects around the house, this is a great option. Its portability also makes it easy to take to any job site. What people say. The adjustments are a very nice touch compared to others with only 2 or 4 options for setting the current. This one can be dialed into the perfect setting, allowing great penetration without blowing through. The welder itself is very light at only 19 pounds before adding a roll of flux core wire. Seems to be of sturdy construction. The separate wire feed and voltage adjustments is the best feature. True 90 amps is all I need for welding 1/4 steel. Number 4. ARCCAPTAIN 130A 3-in-1 MIG Welder. Introducing the ARCCAPTAIN 130A, a versatile 3-in-1 welding machine designed for all your needs. It seamlessly combines MIG, TIG, and stick welding capabilities. Experience simplified welding with our synergic control. It automatically matches the optimal current and wire speed based on your selected wire diameter, making it perfect for beginners and quick repairs. This machine offers 3 distinct welding modes: Flux Core Gasless MIG, Lift TIG, and MMA. Easily adjust settings for carbon steel, stainless steel, and even thicker metals, ideal for various projects. Weld with confidence thanks to built-in safety features like overcurrent, overload, and overheating protection. These functions ensure a longer lifespan for the machine. Weighing just 11.79 pounds, this welder is incredibly portable. Its compact size and included handle or shoulder strap allow you to take it anywhere your projects demand. Rest assured, every unit undergoes rigorous testing in extreme conditions to meet high standards. You can begin welding with peace of mind, knowing you have a quality product. What we like. This machine offers excellent versatility with its 3-in-1 welding modes. If you are a beginner or someone who needs a portable welder for various tasks like home DIY, outdoor repairs, or farm equipment maintenance, this is a fantastic choice. Its synergic control makes it even easier to get started. What people say. This welder is great and built better than the Harbor Freight welder for $449. Comparable to my last Lincoln welder but smaller. The Harbor Freight welder kept tripping the breaker. This welder does not. Very sturdy with a durable case and has a tip protector around the wire feed tip that Harbor Freight does not. It also allows you to stick weld TIG weld. The trigger is built really well, close to an expensive name brand welder. This unit is also lightweight, small, and comes with a carrying strap so you can walk around with it hands-free. This welder is not only for beginners, it is great for experienced welders that need the portable option, functioning on a 110-20 amp outlet with a regular extension cord hooked to a power strip. Some clients don't have the power needed for other welders, and this does the job. Everything about this unit seemed well designed, and me with no experience except videos was able to set up and use in about 5 minutes after unpacking the box. It was easy to adjust wire tension and power settings after seeing how to on videos. It is a solid welder that after practicing laying beads on a few pieces of metal I fixed many things around my home and fixed a few things for friends. The unit itself is light and highly portable and is handy that you can plug into 120V so it can be used anywhere without needing 220V plug. The MIG torch and feed are smooth and easy for a beginner to use, and the supplied wire is strong and doesn't put off a lot of spatter. Number 3. SONNLER 0.030 Flux Core Welding Wire, 3-pack. Get a great deal with this set of 3 Flux Core welding wires. Each spool is individually vacuum sealed for optimal freshness. Experience fast and easy welding with our premium mild steel wire. It's perfect for various joint types, making your projects a breeze. Each 2-pound spool is vacuum packed, ensuring it's waterproof and moisture-proof. This guarantees you receive the best possible MIG weld wire. Enjoy excellent performance with minimal spatter and slag. You'll spend less time cleaning up and more time welding efficiently. This gasless wire is designed for MIG welding and compatible with many machines. It's ideal for both professional welders and beginners alike. What we like. This is a great value bundle for Flux Core Welding Wire, offering 3 individually vacuum-packed spools. If you are looking for a reliable, low-spatter welding wire that is compatible with popular welder brands and want to ensure you have plenty on hand for your projects, this is an excellent buy. What people say. Worked way better and seemed like the quality of the weld was even way better. Feeds well and not a ton of splatter. Works really well, possibly better than big-name brands, with low spatter and great slag coverage. Number 2. GUOZHI 140A 3-in-1 MIG Welder. Introducing the GUOZHI 140A, a versatile 3-in-1 welder designed for flux MIG, ARC, and lift TIG processes. Experience stable welding arcs, minimal spatter, and high efficiency with its advanced dynamic characteristics control. This welder features a unique synergic control system. It automatically adjusts voltage and wire feeding speed based on amperage, making it incredibly easy for both beginners and professionals. You also have the option to manually fine-tune parameters for complete control. Built with a wide 90V, 140V voltage design, it performs reliably even with voltage fluctuations. It supports 2-pound spools of flux core wire and is compatible with various welding rods and even stainless steel with an optional TIG torch. It's engineered to work even in extreme cold. Your safety is paramount. This machine is equipped with comprehensive protection against overheating, overcurrent, overvoltage, and overloading. Its compact and lightweight design makes it exceptionally portable, perfect for outdoor repairs and aerial work. The package includes everything you need to get started: the 140A MIG welder, electrode holder, earth clamp, and a pre-installed MIG gun with accessories. Get ready to weld right out of the box. What we like. This welder stands out with its 3-in-1 multi-process capability and advanced synergic control for ease of use. If you need a versatile machine that can handle flux MIG, ARC, and lift TIG, and you appreciate a wide voltage design that handles fluctuations well, this is a solid choice for both beginners and professionals. What people say. This welder is great for beginners and experienced welders alike. It's lightweight and portable, making it easy to take anywhere. The adjustable amperage allows for precise control over your welds. Number 1. Lincoln Electric Weld-PAK 90 IFC Welder. Introducing the Weld-PAK 90 IFC. Simply plug into any 120V outlet and start welding. It's designed for versatility, handling jobs up to 1 4-inch thick, perfect for any location. This welder comes ready to go with all the essential accessories. It includes a welding gun, nozzle, contact tip, and work cable with clamp. Plus, a durable metal case protects it wherever you take it. Weighing just 15 pounds, it's incredibly light and easy to carry. The included shoulder strap makes it ideal for mobile work or taking it to different job sites. It's a great choice for beginners and pros alike. Operation is straightforward with simple controls for wire speed and voltage. Its advanced inverter technology ensures efficient use and delivers smoother welds than traditional machines. This machine is perfectly suited for DIY enthusiasts, hobbyists, and home repairs. The infinite voltage control allows for precise adjustments, ensuring excellent results on all your smaller welding tasks. What we like. This welder is designed for ultimate portability and ease of use, perfect for small jobs. If you are a hobbyist, a DIY enthusiast, or a mobile welder who needs a lightweight machine for maintenance and quick repairs, this Lincoln electric model is an excellent choice. Its simple controls and smooth operation make it very beginner-friendly. What people say. It is a good welder for the price. This welder is very easy to use and produces clean welds. It is a great little welder for small jobs around the house. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.